Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun unboxing for you. I have not done an unboxing on my channel yet, so it is very exciting. It's actually my first time doing one of these boxes as well, so I am so excited. Please excuse my hair, it's doing some crazy things today. It was first to try to curl it, that didn't work. Then I tried to straighten it, that didn't work. So it's just gonna be doing its own thing. So the box that I have today is the Fab Fit Fun box. I'm so excited. It is the summer one. I did purchase this with my own money. I am not at that level to get sponsorships yet, but I would love to. But I did buy it with my own money. It is this pretty box. I love how it has like a woman on it. It looks very flowy and summery. I love the colors and I'm very excited to get into it. I'm not gonna lie, I did peek because I was just so excited for this box that I opened it already. And yeah, so I'm sorry about that. That is not a surprise unboxing, but it's still really fun to see what I got. So when you open it, it just looks like this inside. Has some pretty wrapping. Let me see if I can scoot my chair over. So the first item I'm going to be pulling out, it just looks like this inside. They always have a magazine. I looked up some videos on it just to kind of see what it was, if it was worth it. But they always seem to include a magazine with the items that could be in it and their value. So I got to customize, I think, 3 items. I didn't do the whole thing. I just did the basics. So I just wanted to see if it was worth it or not. I will definitely be purchasing another box, so if you guys would like to see a surprise unboxing, let me know down in the comments below. I would love to do one, so let me hear it. So the first item I am seeing, this is what the products look like inside. I did take off the plastics and stuff, but this is the first item that I am seeing, and I'm so excited for this. I love home decor, so this was right up my alley. I did get to choose this one, and it is the Pottery Barn Solstice diffuser. And I'm just gonna take it out of the box if I can. The box is like super cute. It's super heavy duty, and I really like that. Packaging is cute. Let me see if I can take it out. This is the liquid. I don't know what flavor it is. It doesn't say. Or not flavor, what scent it is. But this is just what it would look like. I mean, you would have these like sprawled out, you know, not taped, but this is what it looks like. It is super cute, this little gold bronzy little vase. I think this is so cute and I can't wait to set it up. They give you a good amount of liquid too. I would say that's definitely will last you a long time. The next item I'm pulling out, I did not customize this, so this is something that they put in there themselves, and it is the Grace and Stella Say Hi to Hydration. It is a hyaluronic acid. So I started to use lactic acid, so I'm gonna have to check and see if I can use this on my face now that I incorporated lactic acid into my skincare routine. But I don't think it'd be a problem, but I'm just gonna do some research to make sure. But it is a hydrating serum acid. It is a hydrating serum. I just want to see how that feels on the skin. Well, it's very like shiny, but it feels good. My hands get so dry. I wonder if this can like work on my hands. I wear gloves all day at work, so they take a toll on my skin. So I am excited for this. I think it would be a really good addition to my skincare. The next item I also did not customize. It is the Zoe Ayla, and it is the Face and Body Ice Roller. This is so exciting because I was looking at the jade ones, and they're like $10 a piece. I was like, do I really need to spend $10 on a roller? And I'm glad I didn't buy it because this is what it came with, and it's super cold on my skin. I love this feeling. I can't wait to use this every day to put my oils and serums in, just rub it in my face. I am so excited for this. I don't know if I should be telling the value of this. The box itself was $50, which is a great deal. You get all this stuff. So the vase was retail $59. That's impressive. That's crazy. My battery's gonna die. The ice roller was $30. And then the hyaluronic acid hydrating serum was $25. We'll just keep that open there. The next thing I did get to customize were these sunglasses, and I'm so excited. They are by the brand Tom's, and this is what they look like. They have a green tint. I just noticed this, but you're probably not going to be able to see it, but right here it says give sight. So that's such a cute little detail, and I love them so much. I love the little cat eye. Oh my gosh, I think these are my favorite item in the box. I love sunglasses. I have terrible vision, but I wear contacts so I can wear sunglasses specifically for that reason. These are my favorite product in the box, and they retail for $58. Oh my gosh, this box is already, what? This box is already paid for itself, okay? If that doesn't tell you to get it, get it. The next item, I did not choose this, but it is the Spongella, that word, hand cream. It's the Spongella hand cream in coconut verbena. It's a shea butter, macadamia seed oil, argan oil. Oh, there's a thing there, and I'm trying to smell it. Oh, that smells so good. I love coconut smells. Coconut scents, not smells. Can I talk English? I love coconut smell. I love coconut scents in the summer. This, oh, I already know. It's the one. This retailed for $18. Oh my gosh, that feels so nice. Wow. I love this box already, and I'm not even done. The next item I also didn't choose, but nonetheless, I'm so happy with all the items, even the ones I didn't even choose. This is the Winky Lux Unibrow. I don't have a unibrow, and I don't want a unibrow, but it's a little brow pencil, and I think it's universal. This is cool. So there's a spoolie on it. Put the box. There's a spoolie on it, which is so nice on a pencil like this. And oh, I almost dropped it. Let me fix my shirt a little bit. And oh, okay. Oh, that's nice. So it's like a little, can you see this? No, you cannot see this. I know, I'm sorry about the lighting. Much better. I don't know why I didn't think about it before. Now this whole video is ruined. No, I'm just gonna keep going with it because my camera's about to die. But it's like a little triangle. My camera's gonna freak out. I like that a lot, and it's this, like, I would say that's a cool brown. Yeah, so it's a universal brow pencil, and I'm really happy for this. I'm almost running out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, or pomade, whatever you want to call it. So this is gonna come in handy a lot. The next item they threw in was this makeup drop little silicone sponge. This is the hybrid sponge. I've never had a hybrid sponge. I just had like a beauty blender or the Real Techniques one. So I'm wondering, what is a hybrid sponge? Oh wow. So this piece right here is actually like silicone, like an actual piece of like hard plastic, not hard, but like rubber. And then this part is the sponge. So that's kind of unique and cool. I've never had that before. So, and I threw the box on the floor. So, oh wait, I didn't even tell you the prices. So the price for the sponge was $20, which is the same price as a beauty blender. And then the Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil was $16. So yeah. The last item in this box, well, they have a gift card, but it's for like Discover Wine You Love. It's a $50 credit, you know, those things we just throw in trash. But the last item in this box, which I am so sad that it's the end, but so happy at everything I got. This is an item that I did customize, and it is this yellow little like cooler bag, and it is the Business and Pleasure. That's the brand, I think. Yeah, that's the brand. It is so cute. I can't wait to take this on like picnics, or if like anything that's gonna be outside. It is so cute, and you can never have too many coolers, which actually I don't have any at all, so this is really nice. There's a shoulder strap as well as a hand strap. It's completely insulated because it's a cooler. So yeah, and then this one retailed for $59. So that is everything that I have in my Fab Fit Fun box. I was super impressed, and I already know that it was over a $200 value like they promised. They do promise that every box is worth $200, and they definitely reached that, and I am so happy that I gave it a try, and it is definitely something that I'm going to be doing in the future. A little bit of facts about Fab Fit Fun. It's not like a monthly subscription box. It is a seasonal subscription box, so you get it 4 times a year. You can purchase the whole year and get like some discounts, and when you do it that way, you get a lot more what's the word? You get a lot more of customization in your box. I just purchased one box because I just wanted to try it out, but I do feel like I think the yearly subscription is the best deal because you pay for your boxes all up front, and then you get the most for your money, the customization. I think you even get like early shipping, which it did take a while to ship because like subscription box, they have like a schedule. I think if you something about the 15th of the month, I think it ships on the 15th of the month, or however that works, I'm not sure. But I absolutely am in love with this box, and I am so excited to do a new video. So like I said, if you want to see me do a surprise unboxing where I don't know what's in it, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.